Team, we're grilling up some wings in the new Ninja Foodi Pro Grill and Griddle coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. Welcome to my kitchen. So happy you're here. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to our channel, please hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. What are we doing here today? Well, we have a real easy one for you. Just grilling up some wings in the new Ninja Foodi Pro XL Grill and Griddle. I can't get used to it. It's just the Ninja Foodi Grill and Griddle, okay? This is a really simple one for you guys. The first thing you have to do, and I think this is a must before you cook your chicken wings, is do a little dry brine on them. And all that means is you're just gonna salt them and let them sit in the refrigerator and let some of that moisture pull out of that chicken skin and let some of that flavor pull back in there. All you do is take a little kosher salt, sprinkle it over the wings. Like I said, let it sit in the fridge, let that moisture pull out, and then we're ready to cook them. We are going to grill these naked, meaning we're not going to season them at all. We're just going to use a little avocado oil, and we're going to season them after we get done cooking them. Now, what are we going to season them with? Guys, I have this little wing dust from KosmosQ. This is honey barbecue, and it's one of my personal favorites. Is anything kind of sweet, barbecuey, all right? And I'm going to make it sweet and spicy. I'm going to use the honey barbecue by KosmosQ. And then I'm gonna use my guy, Daddy Dutch BBQ, his homemade sweet heat rub. I know he's working on this year's batch right now. Can't wait to try it. But this is some good stuff, and it's homemade, grown his own peppers, built his own rub. If you go over to Daddy Dutch BBQ, I'm sure he'll sell you a bottle. Stuff's really, really good. Tons of heat, but tons of sweet, and you know, all that heat kicks in those endorphins and you feel good about eating these wings. Make sure you go over and check it out. I'll also put a link down to KosmosQ. You guys can check it out. What we're gonna do next is preheat our Foodi grill. We're going to preheat it on the grill setting high, and then we're gonna get our wings on there. Like I said, no seasoning, just the salt that we did the dry brine on it. Once it's preheated, we'll get this baker's dozen of wings on there. Just give them a little bit of space, shut down that lid, let them cook for 10 minutes or so. They'll be done. They'll be temping out about 180, 190, and that's where I like to take my wings to. It makes them a little more tender, a little more fall off the bone, and they'll be ready to toss in our barbecue seasonings. Maybe about halfway through, we'll give them a flip, but that's it. You're not gonna have to mess with these too much. 10 minutes will get you where you wanna be, and then you'll be eating these wonderful wings when we're done, all right? Yeah, about halfway through, go ahead and flip these over. We'll let them go for another 5 minutes or so. Team, our wings are temping out at 180, 190 or so in there. We're gonna go ahead and get these off the grill grates. As you can see, plenty of the grease that rendered out of these chicken wings is in that little grease trough right here. So these are nice and crispy. All right, let's get ready to do a little mix. We have our wing dust from KosmosQ. Let's cook them naked and dust them up. So that's what we're gonna do. A couple tablespoons or so in there. Then my buddy Daddy Dutch BBQ sent me some of his homemade sweet heat. We're gonna add a little bit of that in there because I like a little heat in my wings with my sweet heat. There it is. We're just gonna give it a mix. Got these nice and mixed up, looking dang good. You know it's gonna taste good too. Of course, you know I had to make it pretty for the thumbnail, but it's nice, sticky, sweet. Put a little greenery on there so it pops. Let's give these bad boys a try. What do you say, guys? Team, these wings are done. Got one in my hand right here. Look at that bad boy. That wing dust on there adds such a great color to it, and it turns it like sticky sweet, all right? Tell me before I take a bite of this wing, are you team drums or team flats? I am team flats all the way. I love these bad boys. So let's take a bite. Getting that sweet, getting a little bit of that heat back here. You know Daddy does barbecue sweet heat, the sweet heat blend. Oh, it kicks in. It's good stuff though, sneak up on you. Guys, this was an easy, simple, quick video for you. Very tasty. Get these wings on, get them ready for the game time. We're right smack dab in the middle of football season. You know you need some wings, a couple beers with it, and you'll be enjoying that game just right. Okay. If you guys want to get yourself one of these Ninja Foodi grill and griddles, hit the link down below. It takes you to the Ninja Kitchen. It is an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything more when you use it, but I get a little small commission, lets Ninja know I'm working for them. If you want to get the cutting boards, knives, any of the stuff I use in my videos, there's Amazon links down below for you to use. Again, you don't pay more, but there are affiliate links. Helps out the channel. If you guys want to become part of CJ's crew for real, hit that join button. It's right next to that subscribe button. Get your name at the end of the videos. Be forever immortalized here on Cooking with CJ. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for being here. It means a ton to me. Make sure you hit the thumbs up on the way out. But other than that, have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.